friends, and welcome to Think Python. Today we'll talk about 2D lists. A 2D list or a two-dimensional list is basically a list of lists. So as I say, a list of lists, in a similar way we define it. You must have learned about a matrix or array where we define the rows and the columns like this. So if we type numbers like this 1 2 3, this is the first row, and then 4 5 6, this becomes the second row, and likewise 7 8 9, this becomes the third row, and as a whole this becomes an array, or you call it a matrix, and in Python we call it a 2D list. So let's learn about 2D lists today in Python. How do we define it and what all we can do with it? To define a two-dimensional list, I'll name it as an array. Now, as I've just said that a 2D list is a list of lists. So in this similar manner, I need to define it also. How do we define a list? With the help of the square brackets. So this becomes my outer list. I press enter. Now every element of this list is a new list, and a new list also has to be defined with the help of square brackets. So with the help of square brackets, I define the first element of my outer list, which is also a list, remember, and I'll say 1, right, 2, 3. So this is the first element of my list, which is a list, and to define the second element, I separate it with the help of a comma and square brackets again. So this is 4, 5, 6. This should be here, right? And the third element of my list is the third list, which is 7, 8, 9, right? And the outer list is closed with a square bracket. So this is how we define an array or a matrix, or in Python we call it a two-dimensional list, right? Now how do we access the elements of this array? To access the elements of the array, I'll say print, okay, and the name of the matrix, which is array. Now with the help of the square bracket and indexing, which we have already learned, we can access any element of this 2D list. So the first square bracket would be taking the value of the first of your row. So if I say 0, so this would access the first element, that means the first list of the outer list, and the second square brackets would take the value of the element which you want to print. So I'll say, let us say 1. Now this would return me array 0, means this is the index of row number, right? So this would go to the 0th index row, which is 1 2 3, and the 1 in the second square bracket would return the element which is present at index 1. So let's print this and see what happens. Right, so we have 2 printed here, okay. So similarly, you can print any number. For example, you want to access this 5 of the second inner list. So this index is the index for list, which is 1, and 5 is the having index 1. So if I print this, I should get a 5. Perfect. So this is how you can access the values of your two-dimensional list. It's quite easy, and you can also modify the elements of your 2D list in the similar manner. For example, I say, let me type this here. So I say array, okay, and 1 1, which is now 5. We have just seen. I change it to 10, okay, and now if I print this, I should get a 10 here because this value has been modified by 10, right? Now you can also use nested loop to access all the elements of your two-dimensional list. So how do we use a nested loop? Let me show you. So I'll say for row in array, right? So this would iterate over the rows, and the nested loop is for item in row. So this would iterate over all the items present in the row, and I say print item. Alright, and we run the code and see what happens. Perfect. So we have all the items of the two-dimensional list printed here at the output terminal, right? So it is very easy to use two-dimensional list, and it is also very useful when you are working on some mathematical problem, right? So practice this, and if you face any problem, do let me know down in the comment section and we'll resolve it. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.